As we all know, Christmas is coming, and if you play your cards right, this would be the most profitable season for you in the entire year. But here's the truth: not everyone sells out this Christmas. Only those that strategize on time, know how to understand customers' behavior, and give out irresistible offers. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down 5 practical steps you can take to sell out this Christmas period, and you want to watch to the end because you don't want to miss any of these steps. The first step we are going to take is to understand the Christmas buyer's psychology. Before we dive in, if you're just coming across my face for the first time, hi, my name is Precious, and on this channel we share business ideas, business growth tips, and how to make more money in your business, and also personal growth. So if this sounds like something you love, do also hit on that subscribe button. We are glad to welcome you to this our amazing family. So before you create a flyer design, before you shoot that TikTok video, before you do give out any offer, the first thing you have to do is to understand the psychology of Christmas buying. So before you create any offer this season, you must understand how the Christmas buyers think. So in Christmas season, people don't buy logically, people buy emotionally. Okay, so if people buy because they want to feel good, they want to give out to their friends, because they want to impress, they want to show love this season. So before you create your marketing offer, you must learn how to tap into these Christmas emotions. So we have 2 types of Christmas buyers. We have the early birds and the last minute rush. The early birds, they like to order from 1st to 15th of December. They like Christmas deals and Christmas gifts. Okay, so the last minute rush, they like convenience and fast, so they buy towards Christmas seasons. And if you position yourself well, you're going to sell that in both space. And people also want convenience. People want to buy from a brand that they can order easily, they can deliver easily, and they also have simple payment plans. So you need to make ordering from you this Christmas very easy. So a quick one here, I made a lot of mistakes when I first started content creation because there was no one to guide me. So on Saturday by 8 o'clock, I'm going to be holding a free content creation class for beginners. And also throughout this month of December, I'm going to be teaching new skills that you need to learn. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a presentation, how to track your finances, video editing, simple graphic design. So every evening by 8 o'clock, don't forget to join me live here on YouTube. So the second step we are going to talk about is creating an irresistible offer. Some people just post products this Christmas period, they don't create an offer. So offers sells better than products this Christmas. You need to know how to combine 2 or more products, sell it out at a discounted price this Christmas season. So if you're a fashion brand, you can do something like t-shirts plus cap plus shorts, Christmas combo. If you're a perfume seller, you can offer 2 to 3 types of perfumes and put them in a gift box and sell them as Christmas deals. If you're a skincare brand, you can do something like glow sets for Christmas. Or if you're a gift vendor, you can do something like Christmas hampers and just combine them together. And you can also add free gifts to your order. People love gifts during Christmas season, so you can add something small but actually valuable to their order. Okay, it can make them happy and make them excited this Christmas period. You can also use limited gift time offers. For example, you can do 48-hour sales, you can do 1 week sales. I'm currently on a 1 week sales right now, so you can do limited time offer sales, something limited, so that people can order from you that period at a discounted price. And you can also create gift packages this season. You can do 15k sets for her, 20k sets for him, just something like that, at a discounted price also. So if you love this Christmas sales tip that I'm giving and you want to learn more about sales for not only Christmas period, or you're a business owner, a sales agent, or a marketing expert, so I've made a full course teaching you how to make more sales and how to understand the psychology behind sales and how to close sales every single day. So I'll leave my link, you can just click on the link to get it. The next step we are going to take is to make your social media marketing Christmas ready. So if you're still on this video and you're yet to give this video a thumbs up, do all to click on that like button. It's absolutely free, so I hope you've done that. Let's dive right in. So if you wait till December 20, it's going to be too late. You need to start posting your Christmas offer right now. Start posting your Christmas offers, outfit ideas,
behind the scene, reviews, close-up shots, and the rest of them. So you just need to start making your social media ready for Christmas sales on time. And the next thing you have to do is to use high engagement formats. You can use TikTok trends, you can use POV, you can use storytelling, you can use close-up shots. So people don't buy boring videos, they buy emotions and vibes. You also need to use a Christmas themed visuals. Your brand should look like Christmas. You can use Christmas colors, red and gold. You can use Christmas trees, something Christmas related. Let them know that you, in this season of Christmas, you're not left behind. The next thing you have to do is to show last stock content. Yes, so people hate missing out. You can post things like 10 pieces remaining, almost sold out. It actually creates 200% urgency, so people don't like to miss out. Once you post something like this, it will make them want to buy urgently. So let's head over to step 4. You're going to make ordering extremely easy. If people find it very difficult to order from you, they'll just scroll past you, they'll just leave you and go to someone else. So you need to make ordering from you very easy. So you need to have a WhatsApp link attached to your bio. Don't just say DM to order. You need to have a particular WhatsApp link. Tell them something like click on the link to order directly from WhatsApp. And also you need to have a clear price everywhere. Some people just see posts and they don't want to DM you to ask for price. So you need to have that price on the offer, have your price on your flyers, have a clear price so that people can see the price immediately. You also need to offer delivery option. You can do same day delivery, pickup, and the likes of it. So make delivery very easy for them, for your customers. You need to learn how to collect customers orders with Google Form. You need to collect their names, their location, their phone address, their email. Just it makes you look organized. Learn how to use Google Form to take your customer. You're supposed to have your customers database saved, so you need to learn how to use Google Form to collect customers orders so that it can make you look more organized.
Step 5. Use the 3 times sales formula. If you found this video helpful so far, just leave in the comment section, I will sell out this Christmas. This is what helps businesses sell out fast: visibility, credibility, and urgency. So we are going to use this 3 times sales formula. First thing is that you're going to be visible. You're going to post your business consistently. Make sure people see you. If you don't post, how will people know what you have to offer? So you need to make yourself visible first of all. And the next thing you're going to look at is credibility. People need to trust you before they buy from you. So if they don't trust you, they cannot buy from you. You're going to post your reviews from other customers, okay, testimonials. You're going to post those screenshots on your social media page. It will help people trust you. It's going to help build trust faster. So you can also make video reviews. Just make video reviews, screenshots, and testimonials. Post them so that it can help people trust you more. So the third formula you're going to use is urgency. Create urgency around that particular product. So you can use words like limited stock, limited offers, special bonus, flash sales, things like that. Create urgency around your product. So once you become visible, credible, and you create urgency around your product, it will work like magic. Before you know, you're going to sell out fast. Christmas is not a time to relax, it's a time to strategize. Okay, people are spending money this Christmas. People are willing to spend money this Christmas. You just need to show them that you're worth spending, you're worth their money. You need to show them that you're worth their money and you're worth spending on. So if you show them that you're worth spending on, they're definitely going to spend on you. So if you follow everything in this video, you create irresistible offers, you make ordering very easy, you become visible, you show your credibility, you do everything I've talked about in this video, you're going to sell out this Christmas and it's going to work like magic. So if you like this video and you found something helpful in this video, do also give this video a thumbs up. It's absolutely free. Hit on that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Tell us in the comment section that you're going to sell out this Christmas, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'm going to definitely reply you. And most especially, if you know any business owner, click on the link, copy this video and send it to that business owner right now.